Hello, David Snowpeck here from Snowpeck Games, and this is the second devlog about the game that I'm making for the Godot Wild Jam number 45. The first thing that you will notice here, different from the last devlog, is there is a real environment. No more prototype square blocks with prototype grid textures on them. We've got real rocks and trees and dirt, a proper jungle temple. Logan No1 really outdid himself on this environment. Oof, I didn't make the jump. I really love it. It's got a kind of old school retro PS1, PS2 style artwork. I think it looks fantastic. It feels fantastic to move around in. I am just so hyped about this level. For my part, since the last devlog, you may also have noticed that there are some sound effects. Footsteps when I dig. When I hit the rock there. So I added a whole bunch of sound effects to give kind of like an audio feel to the player movement. I also fixed a ton of bugs in the player movement. The Logans found some really great bugs, sent me some videos. One of them was that the jump height was inconsistent. If you jumped a bunch of times in a row, some of those jumps would end up being just strangely short. And there was an issue where if you walked like parallel almost to a wall but bumping into it, the shovel animation would wig out. So I fixed those bugs. Logan No1 implemented the full game loop. You can now win, lose, and start over. You can see up in the right-hand corner, there's 4 treasures remaining to find, a timer counting down. He also implemented some more of the menus. I don't know if this pause screen was here at the last devlog, but he also started a title screen, which we're not going to look at very much because it shows the back of the environment, which we really don't want to show. It's messy back there. You don't put things back there that you want company to see. So we're going to move the camera and get a better background for the title screen. There is a first draft of the music from Jamphibious, who is putting that together for us. It sounds awesome. What else? Yeah, I think that's pretty much everything that happened since the last devlog. Next up, Logan No1 is going to be working on replacing these prototype treasures that we still have around. The red sphere is meant to represent the hint that there's a treasure buried there. Probably it's going to be a pile of rocks. And you start digging it. Dig it for a while, then the treasure appears. Again, this is still just the prototype box, but there will be an actual treasure model there. You enter the answer to the puzzle, and then the treasure will open with some slick little animation, and you saw the remaining number of treasures to find went from 6 to 5. So the game loop part is there, like I already said, but getting those treasures really implemented, and the algorithm for placing the treasures currently is totally broken. So Logan No1 is going to get that in shape. For my part, there are again some more bugs in player movement to fix. You can like walk up nearly vertical walls, which you probably shouldn't be able to do, and some other things. Also in this temple area, there is a gate that I'm going to implement a button for you to open this gate. That's probably what I'll be working on stream tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to be streaming game dev for about 2 hours, or actually, I might not even post this video till tomorrow, so this might be coming on right before that stream. But in any case, I stream on Fridays from 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time until 12 p.m., so come check it out. And yeah, there's going to be maybe some little environment tweaks, some art tweaks, but not much. I mean, we're in the home stretch here. There's 2.5 days left, which is still like, there's a lot to do in those 2.5 days, but I am feeling really good about this game. I can't wait till Logan No1 does his work on the treasure chest so I can actually really play the game and see how it feels to undertake the challenge of finding all of the treasures. Hopefully it feels good. If not, we'll do some tweaks and I'll tell you all about it in a devlog. Anyway, I think that's all I have for you today. Catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.